What do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
Hi lovers, it's your girl Priska Love back with another DIY. So this was a fun one, really quick and easy. I helped my friend, so this is both of us working. And honestly, if you can have a partner to do this DIY with you, it would make the process go by so much faster. So she wanted, this is for the Renaissance World Tour, in case you didn't know from the title. And she had a thrifted pair of Wrangler jeans that she wanted to use for the tour, since, you know, the vibe was silver, chrome, western, alien, thrown all together in all of its goodness. We went to Hobby Lobby and we found these iron-on rhinestone patches, and she wanted hers to say this on the back of it, which turned out really, really cute. We actually found this unicorn over there, as you can see, to kind of mimic Renee, which is the Renaissance horse or stallion that was promoted all through Beyonce's album and also the concert. So that was like the perfect little touch. We found that at the last minute, but all of this was from Hobby Lobby, very inexpensive. And as you can see, we're using a shirt to cover the iron patches, and the shirt is like a cotton blend. Make sure not to use any synthetic fibers. If you do, turn your iron onto the synthetic function so it doesn't burn through your clothes. And we just put it over and lightly iron on the patch, and we pull it up to make sure all the corners are sticking down, it's all melted together. This was very quick, super easy. I did a couple, she did a couple, just so we can try it out. Super simple and self-explanatory. And so after this, we're going to get into the next portion of the tutorial, and I'll be back in just a moment to show you. So for the next part of our DIY, we got this rhinestone roll of rhinestone string. I don't even know what to call it right now. But we got this from Hobby Lobby as well. And the wire cutter came from Hobby Lobby. We're counting out the rhinestones so we can have the exact length for all of the little pieces that we're going to glue onto the pair of pants. And so for my choice of glue, this is my all-time favorite glue. I use this glue for almost every situation. There's only been like one or two situations that this glue has not worked for, and that is the Gorilla Glue. They have the gel version and they have like the liquid version. I think this one is the gel version. Both of them will work perfectly, but the gel version is a little bit more controlled, so you can put like a bead of glue and it doesn't run down all the way everywhere like how the other version does. But as you can see, I'm kind of like mapping out where I want to place the rhinestones, and I just put one little bead of glue, stick it down there, hold it down for like 3 seconds just to make sure it's in place, and it instantly dries, guys, like instantly. I've seen a couple videos of this on TikTok. That's exactly where we got the inspiration for her DIY for these pair of pants, and a lot of them use glue that took like took like 24 hours to fully dry, but this is not the case. This is the glue you need to use, guys. It instantly dries, it's mess free, and look how good it looks. You can't see it, you can't even tell. Come on now, I'm telling you, Gorilla Glue sponsor me because I use y'all for everything. But we're almost done with this. As you can see, she's doing the cutting, I'm doing the gluing, and we were able to get done with this DIY very fast. So grab a friend for this. This was right after I finished gluing the last piece, and as you can see, it was foolproof, dance proof right away, and it lasted all through the concert, and we had a ball. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.